Welcome dear all in our YouTube channel Elexys Technologies. You can see a new project title name is Astable Multivibrator using timer acid 555. Okay, you can see this is the high timer acid 555. Okay, you can see this is the high state and low state of the signal. Okay, these two LEDs, and here is the main brain IC, a timer acid 555. Okay, this red LED is used to indicate the power indication. Okay, this is the main switch to turn on and off the entire project. Okay, this is the node to adjust the timing time adjustment for this IC to adjust the instability of the system. Okay, so here you can see the adapter is connected to the system. Okay, but it is off now, so let's turn on. So you can see red indicator is showing that power is available in the adapter. Okay, power is available in the project, but it's off now. Okay, so let's press the main switch. Okay, here, so you can see project is running. Okay, and because of the unstable mode, okay, you can see because of the instability, LED is continuously shifting, toggling, okay, each other. Okay, this is the high signal, this is the low signal. Okay, so let's adjust the timing of the capacitor discharge timing. Okay, so you can see suddenly the LED shift all instability speed has reduced. Okay, let's again rotate the knob, so you can see timing is adjusted for the long duration. Okay, let's increase the time, sorry, decrease the time. So you can see LED toggling has speed has increased. Again let's move the toggle sorry, knob. So you can see it is moving so faster that camera is not able to recognize. Okay, again let's move it, so it is a full speed. Okay, so you can see it is now showing properly. See, okay, working so fine because of the knob. You can see this is the full speed. Okay, okay, so if any student want to purchase this small kit, okay, so they can contact us. Okay, this is suitable for BSc MSc students and diploma mini projects. Okay, so student can contact as per their requirements. Thank you so much. So let's see the backside wiring of the system. So you can see it is rotated now, and in this way. Okay, you can see this is the timing adjustment knob. Okay, this is the high LED, low LED. Okay, sorry, output LEDs. Okay, this is the main switch. Okay, backside, this is the IC backside. Okay, and this is the power input backside. Okay, and this is the red LED. Okay, so you can see the wiring. Okay, thank you so much.